Hey, in this session, we will try to enter information within the table that we had already created. So, first we'll quickly select the database, in this case Samvad. Then we'll pass the second query, that is select database, which will ensure that all the changes are made in it. Then we'll quickly check how many tables are active under Samvad. In this case, there is only one, that is users. Now, to ensure that I am entering the right information associated to the field type, I will present or describe the table on the screen for my knowledge. So what this does is this helps me enter the right information in the right field with the right character limit. So to insert the information, following query is processed. That is insert into followed by the table name, in this case users. Then we will put an open bracket symbol within which we will say there are 4 fields, right? So we will write name, comma, age, comma, gender, comma, location. Then we will close the bracket. Then we'll move to the next line and we will say values. Space followed by an open bracket symbol. Now over here, when we are entering a value for a specific field, we have to do this between apostrophes. We will open the apostrophe sign symbol. Now in the place of name, I'll write let's say Tony Stark, followed by age. So as you can see, age is in terms of integer, so I will in numerical numbers, so that is 52, followed by gender, male, location, let's say New York, apostrophe, bracket close, and then followed by semicolon. Now you can see the query is processed. Now let's try and make an entry where in place of integer we are entering a varchar thread. So again we will pass the same query as insert into users, followed by name, age, gender, location, right? Then we'll move to the next line, that is values, followed by, or let's say in terms of age, in this query we will be processing it as varchar. So let's say age is 50, followed by gender is male, location is Avenge World. Now we'll try and process this query, and you can see we are now getting an error that incorrect integer value 50 for column age. This means that because we have associated integer as a type, data type for age, we cannot pass varchar. Let us assume that out of all the fields that we have marked under users, we were able to collect information for name, age and gender. We were not able to collect location of the users. So making the entry would look like this: insert into table name users, followed by name, age, gender, bracket close, moving to the next line, values, followed by, let's say, Spider-Man, age 28, gender male, semicolon, query moves on. So you can see that even if there is an information absence, we were able to process the information in the table. Now let's try to enter multiple entries with a single query. So what we'll do is start the query as insert into, followed by table name, that is users, then the fields name, age, gender, location. Okay. move to the next line, that is values. Now let's say the name is Tushar, age is 30, gender is male, location is Delhi. Because now we have to enter multiple information, so we'll move to the next line, and this line will start with a comma followed by again open bracket, and let's say the name is Pravina, age is 42, gender female, Mumbai, city is Mumbai. Let's say again there is a third entry that we want to make. Name is Virat Kohli, age is 36, male, Delhi. Now let's say this person is who should it be? John, age 40, male, city as Jaipur. Now if this is my last entry, what I'll close this entry with a semicolon and click enter, and you can see the query is processed. So by now we have understood how to create a single entry into a table, how to create a single entry with a missing field in a table, and how to create multiple entries with multiple fields associated with the table. So now to see all these information exists in my table, we will have to process the basic select function. This select from followed by the table name, that is users, semicolon, enter, and now you can see all these entries are present in my table. So in the upcoming videos we will further expand upon how we can create more and more information within the tables, and then eventually going to the read functions, update functions and delete functions. But before getting deeper into the read, update and delete function, we will first try to understand what is null, key and default, as it plays a very important role in the formation of a table. Happy learning.